Hi friends, this is Keizle and today I am going to show you the latest update on the GoodNotes app. They just released the version 5.7.0, so if you haven't updated yet, I suggest that you do so. The update is about the new tool which is called the Elements tool. It enables you to save any objects such as stickers, images, diagrams, shapes, handwritten stuff, and many more, and use them in any digital planner or notebooks that you have in the app. The amazing thing about this is that you can add your own elements and organize them into different collections. So let me show you how to do that. You can access your elements in this icon here, and there are already some default collections that you can use, such as the sticky notes, text stamps, mind map shapes, and more. But if you want to create your own collections, just tap this plus icon here. You can add directly from your photo gallery or anywhere from your files. You can select multiple photos or images if you want, then just tap add. Then tap create. If you want to add more stickers in an existing collection, just long press on the collection icon and the option will appear and tap edit. But if you want to delete this entire collection, tap delete. Here you can add more elements from your files or photo gallery as what we did before. And if you want to remove some of the elements, just tap the X icons on the elements. Although there is a share option here, I'm not sure if it is fully developed yet because I tried to add the bundle file back to the app but I cannot figure out how. But once I do, I will add it on the description box below, or if you do, please let us know. Another way of adding more elements to your collection is by using the lasso tool. That means any element in your notebooks can be added. Just select the elements using the lasso tool, then tap and select Add Element from the option. Then choose from the different collections where you want it to be stored, or you can create a new collection if you want. The great thing about the second method is that the elements that you have added retains its original format. That means if they are, for example, or text, you can change their color later on. This enables you to create templates which you can use in the future. Now let's use the elements. To access them, tap the elements icon, then tap again and select the element that you want to add from a specific collection. Or you can access them by tapping anywhere on your page while the elements icon is activated. If this video is helpful to you and you are a GoodNotes app user, make sure to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Until next time, bye!